Jesus, I've not been recording since. So, if you want to make money on YouTube, or if you want to make money on YouTube, you just have to understand this thing. Once you understand this thing, making money on YouTube is not a problem for you anymore. I can assure you that. Just understand this small circle. Once you understand this small circle, you are ready to make money on YouTube. So first of all, let's start with what is YouTube. YouTube is a platform that provides answers. They provide answers. They provide answers to people's problem. YouTube provides answers to people's problem. Let's give an example. You use Google to search. You use ChatGPT to search. So when you go to Google, you search how old is Cristiano Ronaldo. They will tell you the age. Which country is Barack Obama from? They will show you the country. Who was the first American president? They will show you the country. Who was the first UK prime minister? They will show you the answer. But they will show you in text format. So for you to get the video format, you go to YouTube. YouTube is a platform like Google that will give answers to your problem. And the questions or the problems that people have is more of. So if you are able to create value to solve people's problem, then you are supposed to be on YouTube. You understand? So these people that create these videos or provide these answers to problems, they are called the creators. They are called the creators because they produce this value, they provide this solution to people's problem. That's why they are called the creators. And these creators can add value to your life in two ways. So let me say now you are the creator now, since you want to be a YouTuber. You are the creator now. For you to be a successful creator, you have to either educate them or entertain them. You can do both actually, but let's say you know how to educate or you know how to entertain. Some people want to learn how to make tea. You can bring out the video, you can provide a solution. A lot of people want to learn how to make tea and they don't know how to make tea. So you can provide a solution by making a video teaching them how to make tea. People want to learn how to speak English. You can provide a solution by bringing a video that teaches them how to speak English. People want to go into agriculture, they don't know how to go about it. You can provide a video teaching them how to go about it. People want to cook rice, people want to cook soup, people want to cook pasta, they don't know how to do it. You can provide a solution by creating a video for them. People are bored, they need something to indulge in, or they need something that will take their time. You can provide a solution by bringing a movie or a skit, anything that will make them laugh. You can tell them stories. You can entertain them. You can dance for them. You can sing for them. You understand? So when you do all these things, when you create solutions to people's problem, then these people here, this YouTube here, will give you money, and that is how people make money on YouTube. So this is just the introduction part of this video. Let's see how it goes. In my next video, I will teach you more details on how to go about YouTube. Thank you.